This is 911. What is your emergency?
Hello there, please help me. My house was just broken into. I'm so scared.
Please calm down, ma'am. We will do our best to help you. Now, tell us, where are you right now? Are you inside or outside of the house?
I'm outside now. I'm parking my car across from my house. I'm so afraid that there's something bad happened right now in the house. That's why I hadn't come in yet.
That's the right thing to do. So, I suppose that you are still safe so far. Listen to my instruction. Stay inside the car and try to hide yourself. Don't go out until the police can reach you. Keep your eyes on the house frequently and try to notice any unusual things. Don't try to take the picture or anything like that. You can harm yourself if the thief finds out that you are really near him. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, certainly. I'm still in the car right now. Oh my gosh! I just saw a shadow in the window. What should I do?
It's okay, ma'am. Please give us your address.
56 Brandon Street.
Okay, the local police officers are coming to you. In the meantime, you are welcome to speak with me.
I am terrified. I think I'm going to faint.
Calm down, take a deep breath. Everything will be okay.
Thank you. I feel better.
Good. If you don't mind, I will have some questions for you. The question will help me understand your situation better, and I will pass your information to the local police officer in order to make the wisest and best decision for you.
All right.
Good. How many people are there in your family?
I live alone. I just got divorced from my husband of 3 months. My son is grown up, so he has moved out already. So there's only me in the house.
May I ask how old you are, ma'am?
52, almost 53 the next month.
What is your full name?
Anna Robert Linden.
Okay, I can see your personal information on the system already. Is your house the blue one with 3 floors and a big garden?
Yes, it is. It's between the grocery store and a small church at the corner of Brandon Street.
I got it, Mrs. Linden. What time were you home today?
I don't remember exactly. Maybe around 10 o'clock or later a little bit.
Why were you home so late, ma'am?
I was at my son's party. He had just bought a new apartment. I came over with a present for him. He invited me to stay for the dinner. I thought I would be home earlier, but the red wine was so delicious.
Are you drunk right now?
Just a little bit tipsy. Don't you worry, I'm still awake. And I know what exactly is happening.
I believe so. What makes you think that there's someone in your house?
Normally, I would drive my car directly to the garage, but I am feeling something strange today. Maybe it's the women's sixth sense. I parked my car on the opposite street and was about to get out of the car to buy some stuff in the store nearby before getting into the house.
Okay, what's next?
At that time, I realized that there was a small light in my room. It was kind of a flashlight, I think. I did not turn any lights on when I left. When I looked at the gate, I saw it was open. Oh no, I think there are more than 2 people in my house.
Why? How do you know?
I saw the shadow. They are coming downstairs. Hey, they are arguing, I think. Oh my goodness, one of them has a gun. Oh no.
Please control yourself. Don't be panicked. The police officers are almost there. Just 3 more minutes. You will be okay. Just keep it in your mind. Don't go out or do anything silly that could put you in trouble.
Yes, I remember.
Do you have anything valuable in the house, like cash, gold, or jewelry?
Yes, I have more than $50,000 in cash and a lot of diamond necklaces. I'm a big fan of luxury jewelry.
Where do you put them?
In the safe.
Is the password easy to guess?
No, I just changed the password to my divorce day, and nobody knows that except me and my son.
Your son knows your password?
Yes, he told me that I needed to give him the password. In case something terrible happens to me in the future, he will have my property.
Is your son having any financial issue right now?
Financial issue? What do you mean? No, of course not. He just bought a new apartment. How can he have any trouble with money?
In contrast, the system said he owed the bank more than $100,000.
What? No, he did not say anything about that. Actually, there was once when he asked me to lend him some money because he was doing business with his girlfriend. But his girlfriend was a horrible woman. She was a kind of gold digger. She's always asking him to buy her the expensive stuff. So I refused to give him any money. And I also told him to break up with that girl as soon as possible. She was not the right person for him.
Did you see your son and his girlfriend at the party today?
Yes, of course. Oh no, wait. I did not see his girlfriend. My son said she was not feeling well. And when I left, I did not see my son. His friend was trying to get me drunk. Something is wrong here.
Please give me your son's apartment address.
103 Malcolm Street, River Prince Apartment No. 13.
Is your son James Adam?
No, that's his friend. He's the one who drank with me tonight.
I'm sorry to tell you that the apartment belongs to your son's friends, not your son.
What? I'm confused right now.
What happened, ma'am?
One of the thieves had just shot another one. I saw somebody lying down. What should I do?
Don't do anything. Stay in the car. The police officer will be there in just 20 more seconds. Did you hear the siren?
Yes.
Okay, good. They will be there for you, ma'am. Don't worry.
Oh no! That is my son! He just ran out of the house. So, who was in the house? My son was attempting to rob me? And he killed somebody? No. He recognized me. Oh no.
Mrs. Linden, are you okay? Hello? Mrs. Linden? Are you still there? Hello? Please say something. Toot, toot, toot.
A few moments later.